Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th of May, 2025, our system has classified NIO as a sell candidate, resulting in a score of -1.29. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a loss of -2.04%. This amounts to an average daily loss of -1.02% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and downward trend in the short term, indicating further declines may occur. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 16.22% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 38% to an increase of less than 1%. In examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis predicts an approximate decline of 11.41%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between a decrease of 29.16% and an increase of 54.5% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $2.72 and $5.93. Our latest daily update for NIO features the headline, "Red Day on Wednesday for NIO." The NIO stock price experienced a decline of 2.04% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, dropping from $3.92 to $3.84. This marks a consecutive decline over 3 days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 2.36%, ranging from a low of $3.82 to a high of $3.91. Notably, the price has decreased in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decline of 2.29% during this period. Additionally, the trading volume fell on the last day alongside the stock price, which is considered a positive sign, as volume generally follows price movements. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 6 million shares, with a total of 26 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $101.23 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $7.71, while the lowest was $3.02. Currently, the stock price is 50.19%, or $3.87, below the 52-week high, 94.27%, or $63.15, below the all-time high reached on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO has recently garnered significant attention in financial markets as the company continues to navigate a challenging landscape. As of the 7th of May, NIO stock is trading at $3.98, reflecting a decline of 1.24% from previous sessions. This drop comes amid broader market trends, but is compounded by market skepticism towards lower-priced stocks, which are often seen as having potential for explosive growth. However, the perception of risk is high, as low share prices can suggest underlying weaknesses. In a positive development, NIO is targeting a recovery toward the $5 mark with the anticipated launch of its new Firefly model in Europe. This could improve investor sentiment and stimulate buying activity in the short term. Additionally, year-over-year delivery numbers from April showcased an overall increase of 53%, spotlighting NIO's competitive position against rivals like XPeng and Li Auto. Despite the optimistic delivery figures, investor caution remains due to broader market volatility and macroeconomic pressures, particularly linked to tariffs that have historically impacted Chinese automobile manufacturers. Short-term fluctuations may continue as the market assesses the effectiveness of product launches and overall company performance. In the long term, sustained growth in deliveries and successful entry into new markets could bolster NIO's stock price, making it an intriguing option for investors looking for growth potential in the electric vehicle sector. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities gave NIO a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight rating with an upgrade recommendation. On the same day, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform rating with an upgrade recommendation. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup again assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also assign the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may affect the stock's short-term development. The NIO stock is currently showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at levels of $4 and $3.90. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, April 28, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 10.9%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 8 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 41 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 7 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart, we find the short moving average has a buy signal from 13 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 25 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.75, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock is known for its significant daily movements, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of 9 cents between its highest and lowest points, reflecting a change of 2.36%. For the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock was 3.15%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's briefly review some key fundamental data. Firstly, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently shows negative PE ratios, it may suggest inadequate profits and a risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of June, 2025. Analysts are estimating a loss of 22 cents per share. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.98. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $3.75. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is more than 3 months old. The latest transaction occurred on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO exhibits several negative indicators and is currently within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate continued weak performance in the coming days or weeks, leading us to a negative evaluation of this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 8th of May, we expect NIO to open higher by approximately 1.67 cents, starting at $3.86. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Sending regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.